Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Once again I'm come to Mall of Emirates and today's vlog is going to be on the NIO ET5. Basically this is an electric car manufactured from China and finally come to the UAE as well. Lot of power, lot of technology and lot of features. So let's see what this car is to offer and let's begin with the vlog.
My heart is saying yeah. You know I want him now. My heart is saying yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I
Okay guys, so let's begin with the vlog. So this is the vehicle from NIO. Okay, it's a new brand in the UAE. Basically this is a Chinese brand and it's called the NIO ET5. This is basically a full-size sedan. It's a lot of features and lots of things as well. So let's begin from the front of the vehicle. So this is the NIO logo, okay, and basically this is the ET5. Okay, here you have the sensors 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here you have the camera for the lane assist and the radar. Okay, one over here, and if you check on top, it gets more cameras over there. Okay, so a full bump of cameras. So these are all for the lane assist and the radar system because it gets the intelligent radar. Okay, over here also you will find some more cameras over there. So a lot of technology and a lot of features in this sedan which they have offered. So these are the lights of the vehicle. It is a dual split LED DRL. Okay, and these are the headlamps of the vehicle. You get the high beam and the low beam. Here this is the air intake so that your air passes by and it goes directly to the tire so that the airflow is continuous and it doesn't interrupt anyways. Here you have little bit of air vent opening as well so that the radiator and the condenser remains cool. Apart from that, there is nothing on the front. It's very basic, but most of the technology and features you will find inside the vehicles. Okay guys, so let's go to the side profile of the vehicle also. It's a full-size sedan which is basically a liftback. Okay, and look at the design of the vehicle. It looks really so amazing and appealing. Okay, so let's start from this tire and the alloy. So this is the tire and the alloy. Basically it's in dual tone and this is a 245/40 R20-inch alloy wheel. Okay, and it's by Michelin. Okay, you get the option of changing the color of the rotors as well. Now right now it's in black. Okay, and this is the massive rotor as well. Okay, looks really nice. Here you have one sensor also which is available. This is the side sensor so that you don't dash into anyone. Over here you get one camera as well so that when you're turning it will show on the screen inside. This is the side mirror of the vehicle and it gets a camera placement over here as well. This is for a 360-degree camera, and over here you get the DRL as well. Okay, so these are the pop-up doors of the vehicle. Okay, if you press this it will come on top, but right now the vehicle is actually locked so it won't come on top. Coming to behind of the vehicle, it gets the same profile tire and the alloy. Okay, it's the same 20-inch one. Okay, and it's by Michelin as well. Okay, here also you get the disc brake as well, so all 4 disc brakes are available. Okay, here you get one behind sensor as well. Okay guys, so let's get inside the vehicle also. So these are the pop-up doors. Right now it went back in and you have to press it. So you have to press it very hard and then it comes on top. Yes, okay, and all 4 doors it's like that only. You have opened this and basically this is a frameless door. Okay, no frame at all, but you get this chrome over here which is a very nice thing because manufacturers today they don't give any kind of chrome, but this vehicle they have given lots and lots of chrome, so that's a very nice thing. Here you have the NFC tag also, so you can punch your card and you can get in because there is no key as such to get inside the vehicle. And this is the door of the vehicle. You get all this soft touch material over here. Okay, here this is in dual finish. Okay, here these are the window roll up and down features. Okay, you get the ambient lighting for the inside as well. Okay, here you get some space to keep some of your stuff. Okay, there is a door opener over here. Okay, and door opener over here as well. Okay, here you get one small speaker also, okay, and you get this Neo badging, okay. So here they have written Neo on their skid plate. Talking about the electric seats over here, then you can take these seats behind, okay, and these seats are basically heated, ventilated, and with massage functions as well. So let's get inside the vehicle now. Okay guys, so finally inside the interior of the car as well, okay, and it's a very premium interior, very basic. There is literally nothing, okay. Even the air vents are like hidden over here inside, okay, and you have the assistant over here, okay. So this is basically the assistant. You can speak to it and you can come to know what you need, okay. And this is the steering wheel of the vehicle, okay. Here you get the ADAS, lane assist, cruise control functions. Here you get the multimedia controls. Here you get the wiper and the washer controls. Here you get the indicator as well, okay. They have provided a very small screen over here, but a very big screen over here, okay, and it says blue sky coming, okay. This is the gear shift of the vehicle, okay. You have to push it in front for reverse. For drive you have to push it back, and this is one button which says P over here. It's right now because it's on parking, okay. Then you have the hazard light system over here. You have the lock system also, and you have some mode functions over here, okay. So only 3 buttons, that's it. Very clean, okay. And over here you see all this soft touch material, okay. Very nice, looks very premium, gives a very premium feel also, okay. And a lot of design and all from inside if you see, okay. Looks very unique as well, okay. Never seen such kind of design. Doesn't get a glove box over there as such, but over here you get the wireless charger. Here you get 2 cup holders, and this is the armrest, okay. And one special feature of this armrest is you press this, it opens from this side, and it gets an light feature also, okay. So there's one light. You close this, there is another compartment, yeah. So it opens on the opposite side as well. How cool is that now, okay. So from here also you open it from here as well, okay. And this is the Neo badging, okay. It's a different one only. And talking about the AI boot,
Hey, 我是 Naomi，很高兴见到你，
yes. So this is the AI boot
一起开始
basically.
你的未来旅程吧。
So he's speaking something in Chinese with me. I am really not able to understand what it's able to
先
say.
通过未来 App 扫码，并确认激活车辆。
Okay, I'm very sorry. I'm not able to understand what you're saying. Okay, but looks really nice. Okay, good AI board feature. Okay, here you have the IRVM as well. Here you have the SOS button. You have the light placements over here. You just have to tap it, okay, and it opens. Yes. Here you have the sun blind along with a mirror and 2 light placements, okay. And this is a little bit unique one, okay. Yeah. Here also you have the same sun blind along with mirrors and a light placement. Here you get the full panoramic sunroof, okay, which will not open. So this is basically a moonroof, you could say, a full size panoramic moonroof, okay. It gets like 2 of the panels, one is over here and one is to the behind, okay. So that is like really nice, okay. And the AC blowers are actually hidden, okay. You will not see any kind of AC blowers now, okay, because the AC blowers are hidden over here inside, okay. And there also you get all this ambient lighting and all. Right now if you see, this screen is completely blank because you know, you require the app to activate the vehicle, okay. So because of that I am not able to access the screen as well, okay. But interior looks very perfect, very basic, but it is the best, okay. So let's get behind the vehicle also and see what is available in this car. Okay guys, so let's get behind the vehicle also. The pop-up doors are available. You have to push it a little bit harder, okay. It doesn't open otherwise. Behind also you get the frameless doors, okay, just like the front. Here you get all this soft touch material and all. This is the door opener, okay, window roll up and down. A little bit of storage space over here. You get the ambient lighting also, okay, on the door as well. Level of premiumness and detailing as well. Here you get the speaker, little bit of storage space. Here also it's written Neo on the skid plate, okay. And these are the premium seats of the vehicle. Wow, looks so nice, yeah. So let's get inside the vehicle now. So finally in the rear of the vehicle also, it's a very premium feeling because of this panoramic moonroof, okay. It looks really nice, and it extends all from the front to the behind, but it's not going to open, okay. It's going to be fixed like this, but you can you know, it's a moonroof also because of the excessive sunlight, so it's going to stop a lot of UV rays and all, so you don't have to worry about the heat. Okay, don't have to worry about anything, everything will be fine. Okay, here you get one light placement. Here also you get some hook. Okay, so this is one hook over here. Here you get one speaker placement. Just put up the light now. You get these bucket seats, okay, for the driver and the co-passenger. Here you get the AC blowers for the behind. So here at least they have given the AC. That's a very nice thing. Okay, these are the premium leather seats. You get this seats with isofix as well. Okay, you get 3 different headrest also, and along with that you get one armrest as well. Okay, but this armrest is actually not a functional one. There are no cup holders also. They should have given, yeah, there are cup holders. Yes, how can Neo forget about this? Okay, so there are 2 cup holders. You have to just press this from inside, only then it comes. Okay, so you press this, it will go back. Okay, you press this, you get the cup holders also. Okay, so 2 cup holders, but not a functional one. There are no features and all over here. Yes, you push this, it goes behind. Okay, and very premium vehicle, looks really very nice from behind. So let's get in the rear of the vehicle also, I mean to say in the boot space, and let's see what is available by Neo to you. Okay guys, so finally in the boot space of the vehicle also. Okay, this is the back of the vehicle of the Neo ET5. This is the logo. Okay, and here it's written ET5. Okay, this is the number plate housing. Then you get this towing hook from behind also. You get 6 sensors. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, total 6 sensors in the vehicle. Here also you get one reversing camera. Okay, on top you get the ADAS camera also. Okay, behind also it will keep a check on what's going on. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the safety and all, because for safety there are a lot of things over here. Okay, then you will get one stoplight also, which will be inside. Right now it's not visible from here. And you get the defogger also. Okay, so these are the LED DRL for the back. Okay, the stoplight. So this will be glowing when you press the brake very hard. Okay, and it's a full size one. Okay, so it goes continuously all till behind. Okay, so let's open the vehicle now. You just press this, and without making any much noise, it opens up for you. Okay, and by the way, this is a battery swapping car, so the battery will be down somewhere over here behind somewhere. I'm not very sure. Okay, so the battery is down and it gets a tons of space here. I mean, so much of space, literally. I mean, I'm shocked over here. You get this little bit of light placement also over here. You get one 12-volt charging socket also. You can charge or do whatever you think, do whatever you want with this charging socket. Okay, the spare tire will be down. Okay, down than this also. Okay, you get little bit of manual channel, all written in Chinese only, where this is a car from China. Okay, everything is very basic, but it has a lot of technology and features. Okay, you don't go with the basic things. Okay, because basic things can turn up into a big reality. Okay, here you have the boot closing, so just press this. Okay, without making any much noise, it has settled down. Okay, and it's a full connected tail lamp. So that was it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like my video. Okay, so this is basically the Neo ET5. It's a lot of technology, a lot of features. Some of the features I was not able to use because they have restricted a lot of things right now because the car is new. Secondly, it gets the AI bot, but the AI bot speaks only in Chinese and I was not able to. But don't worry, they will be calibrating it according to the UAE Arabic language, and English also will be coming very soon. The price of the vehicle is around 200,000 dirhams. Okay, this is the starting price. You get a lot of variants, a lot of offers also, so you can contact them, and the location will be only in Abu Dhabi in Yas Island. Okay, so there won't be any showroom in Dubai, but they are planning to get a showroom in Dubai in the upcoming future. So let's see how things work on this vehicle. Okay, so that was it for today's vlog. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Do not forget to click on that notification bell, otherwise you will not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next upcoming vlog.